guys, I'm Mona from Drunk Elephant, and I'm so excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite moisturizers, Lala Retro Whipped Cream. It's a whipped, fluffy texture, and it's a dream come true for tired and dry skin. Lala provides long-lasting moisture, supports the skin's acid mantle, and defends against the effects of everyday stressors. Sounds amazing, right? Did you know that aging and environmental stressors like the sun can damage and deplete your skin's natural ceramides? This weakens the skin barrier, resulting in dry, rough, or irritated skin. Lala to the rescue, my friends. This formula is infused with a triple ceramide blend to help fill in the spaces between the skin cells, strengthening that skin barrier and maintaining the moisture balance of your skin. And it protects it against moisture loss as well. This dream cream has 5 African oils to nourish and deeply moisturize your skin. It also has sodium hyaluronic cross polymer, which penetrates into skin better than hyaluronic acid due to its smaller molecular weight, delivering intense, long-lasting hydration. Lala can be used morning or night, or both. Just apply 1 pump to a clean, dry face. I even like to take it down my neck into my décolleté. The rich but airy texture never feels heavy or greasy on skin. It provides the perfect amount of moisture. You can mix it with any Drunk Elephant serum or oil in the palm of your hand. Apply them all together. That's what we call a skincare smoothie. Drunk Elephant formulas are biocompatible, free of silicones, and highly absorbable, so you don't have to worry about layering. I use Lala every night, but my favorite way to use it is mixed with 1 pump of TLC Framboos. The combination is a perfect smoothie for my skin, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin looks radiant and feels smooth and moisturized. Lala is always what I reach for, especially when my skin is feeling dry or depleted. I hope you love it as much as I do.